Surface areas and values, exercise 10.1, question number 7. Seventh question. A regular square pyramid. A regular square pyramid. A regular square pyramid is 3 meter height. Is 3 meter height. A regular square pyramid is 3 meters height and perimeter of its base. And perimeter of its base is 16 meters. Is 16 meters. Okay. Find the value of the pyramid. Find the value of pyramid. Okay. Now, a regular square pyramid is 3 meters high and perimeter of its base 16 meters. Okay. So pyramid is base shape is the square. So solution: base of pyramid is square. Base of pyramid is a square. So perimeter of base, perimeter of square equal to 16 meters. What is the perimeter formula? 4 into side, 4 into A equal to 4 into A or 4 into side equal to 16. Side equal to 16 by 4 equal to 4. So side equal to 4. Next, what is given? A regular square pyramid height 3 meters. Height equal to 3 meters. So height 3 meters. Now value of pyramid. One by 3 into base area into height. 1 by 3 base area A square into height. So 1 by 3 into base area base 4 into 4 square height 3 cancel 4 square equal to 16 meter cube. Value equal to 16 meter cube. Okay. Next question number 8. So 8th question is an Olympic swimming pool an Olympic swimming pool. An Olympic swimming pool is in the shape of cuboid. Is in the shape of cuboid. An Olympic swimming pool is in the shape of cuboid of dimensions 50 meter long, and 25 meter wide, 50 meter long and 25 meter wide. If it is 3 meter deep, throughout how many liters of water does it hold? How many liters of water does it hold? Now, an Olympic swimming pool is in the shape of cuboid dimensions. Okay, so solution. So dimensions of cuboid. Length, how much? Length equal to 25. Okay, length equal to 50. Breadth, it is nothing but wide. How much? 25 meters. Depth, it is nothing but height. How much? If it is 3 meters deep, 3 meters. So next, how many liters of water does it hold? So how many liters does it hold? So it contains the how many liters, it is nothing but how much space occupying. Space occupying is nothing but volume. So volume equal to LBH 50 into 25 into 3 meters. So 50 into 25 into 3, 5 into 25, 125 into 3, 375 0 meter cube. So actually 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liters. 1 cubic meter equal to 1000 liters equal to 3750000 liters. So this much water it holds. The swimming pool holds so 37540 liters of water. Okay, now we will do exercise 10.2. Exercise 10.2. So in exercise 10.2, first question. So all the exercise in first question, all the problems in first exercise based upon pyramid, triangle, cuboid, cube. In the second, we will discuss about cylinder. So already we discussed the formulas in cylinder. So what are the formulas? CSA, curved surface or lateral surface area, 2 pi RH. Total surface area, 2 pi r of h plus r. Value, pi r square h. So based on this, we are going to do the problems. These three are problem formulas are new here. So a cylinder, a closed cylindrical tank, a closed cylindrical tank, of height 1.4 meters, of height 1.4 meters, and radius of the base, radius of the base is 56 centimeters. Is 56 centimeters. Okay, is 56 centimeters. Is made up of thick metal sheets. Made up of thick metal sheets. How much metal sheet is required? How much metal sheet is required? Solution. So a closed cylindrical tank of height. So height given, next radius given. We need to find out area. So if it is open, we need to find out lateral surface area. It will be enough, but it is closed. So lateral plus 2 closed surfaces. Okay. So total surface area we need. So first height is equal to 1.4 meters. Radius are equal to 56 centimeters, but we need in terms of meters solution 56 by 100 meters, 0.56. Now, so total surface area, since it is closed, we need, since it is closed, we need total surface area 2 pi r of h plus r. 2 pi r of h plus r. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius 56 by 100, 0.56 of h 1.4 plus 0.56. So 7 into 1, 7 into 0.08. So 0.08. Next 44 into 8. 4 into 8 32. 4 into 8 32. Next 8 into 4 32 plus 3 35. So 3.52 into 1.96. So 352 into 1.96. 350 to 196. Next 6 into 2 1 530 31 3 18 plus 3 21 9 2 2 18 1 9 2 5 45 plus 1 46 9 2 3 27 plus 4 31 3 15 2 9 2 plus 6 8 plus 1 9 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 8 6. So 6 8 9 9 2 1 2 3 4. So point meter square. So 6.8992. So which is approximately 6.9 meter square. So this is the total surface area. Now question number 2. Second question is the volume of a cylinder. The volume of a cylinder. The volume of a cylinder is 308 centimeter cube. Is 308 centimeter cube. So its height is 8 centimeter. Its height is 8 centimeters. Its height is 8 centimeters. Find the lateral surface area. Find lateral surface area and total surface area. We usually denote lateral surface area LSA, total surface area TSA. We need both lateral surface area and total surface area. Okay. Now solution. So height is equal to 8 centimeters. Volume equal to 308 centimeter cube. So what is the formula for volume? Pi r square h equal to 308. Pi 22 by 7. R square we don't know. H 8 equal to 308. R square equal to 308 into denominator, bringing r other than r square outside. So 7 comes to the numerator, 22 comes to the denominator, 8 comes to the denominator. So 11 into 2. 11 into 2 22. 11 into 8. Next 4 into 2, 4 into 7. R square equal to 7 by 2 whole square. R equal to 7 by 2 centimeters. R value 7 by 2 centimeters. Okay. Now what we need? LSA and TSA. LSA lateral surface area 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into R value 7 by 2 into H value 8. H value 8. So 7 cancel, 2 cancel, 22 into 8 196 centimeters square. So this is the lateral surface area. Next phi SA 2 pi R of H plus R. 2 into 22 by 7 into R value. R value how much? 7 by 2. H value 8. R value 7 by 2. So 2 cancel, 7 cancel, 22 R. LCM 2 into 8 16 plus 7. So 2 into 1 2 into 11 11 into 20 16 plus 7 23. 11 into 23 253 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area. This is the required solution. Next question. Exercise 10.2. Third one. A metal cuboid. A metal cuboid of dimensions. A metal cuboid of dimensions 22 centimeters into 15 centimeters into 7.5 centimeters. Was melted and cast into a and cast into a cylinder of height 14 centimeters. Cylinder of height 14 centimeters. What is its radius? What is its radius? We need to find out this. Okay, solution. So cuboid is melted and cast into a cylinder. So one of the solid is melted and converted into another solid, which is nothing but the volume of the initial solid, which is equal to the volume of resulting solid. So the volume of cylinder, which is equal to the volume of cuboid. So for cuboid, what are the dimensions? L 22, B 15, H 7.5. So for cylinder, so we don't know radius or we don't know height, it is given. So to avoid confusion, it is smallest. I am taking this one capital H. Capital H equal to how much? So height is equal to 14. So simple, just simple to avoid confusion only I took. So see, cuboid is recast into cylinder. That is volume of cuboid equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of cuboid equal to volume of cylinder. What is the volume of cuboid? LBH equal to pi r square capital H. L equal to 22, B equal to 15, H equal to 7.5, pi 22 by 7, R value we don't know, H value 14. So both sides of 22 cancel. 7 into 1, 7 into 2. So now 2 r square equal to 15 into 7.5, 75 by 10. 5 into 1, 5 into 3, 5 into 2. R square equal to 3 into 75, 225 by 2 into 2, 4. R equal to root of 225 by 4 implies R equal to root 225. 225 is square of 15. 4 to R equal to 7.5 centimeters. So this is the required radius. Solution. Next question number 4. Fourth question is an overhead water tanker. An overhead water tanker. An overhead water tanker is in the shape of cylinder. Is in the shape of cylinder. Is in the shape of cylinder. Has capacity of 61.6 cubic centimeters. 61.6 cubic centimeters. The diameter of the tank. The diameter of tank is 5.6 meters. Is 5.6 meters. This is cubic meters actually. 61.6 cubic meters. Diameter of the tank 5.6. Find the height of the tank. Find the height of the tank. Find the height of the tank. Okay, now solution. So the water tank is in the shape of water tank is in the shape of cylinder. Water tank is in the shape of cylinder. Okay, now so diameter d equal to how much? 5.6 implies r radius. So radius will be half of the diameter, 2.8 meters. So r equal to 2.8 meters. Next, height we don't know. So value contain water is nothing but value 61.6 meter cubic meters. Next, value from the pi r square h equal to 61.6. Pi value 22/7 into r value 2.8 whole square into h equal to 61.6. So h equal to 61.6 into 7 by 22 into 2.8 into 2.8. So h equal to 616 into 7, 22 into 28 into 20. Okay, once here it is the numerator point, denominator right there. Here numerator point 2 times 10 into 10 simply. So 1 of the 10 you can cancel. 7 into 1, 7 into 28. So 22 into 1, 22 into 11 into 2, 11 into 5, 55, 5, 6, 66, 11 into 6, 66. So now 28 into 2, how much? 56, 56 getting cancelled. Now, so this is 10 by 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 5. H is equal to 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5 meters. The height of the cylinder is equal to 2.5 meters. Okay. Next question, question number 5. Fifth question, a metal pipe is 77 centimeters long. Is 77 centimeters long. A metal pipe is 77 centimeters long. The inner diameter of a cross section the inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeters. The outer diameter being the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeters. Find first one, inner curved surface area, inner CSA. Second, outer CSA. Next, third, total surface area. Okay. So here inner radius, outer radius are given. So here what are given? Diameters are given. Inner diameter given, outer diameter given. Solution: inner diameter equal to 4 centimeters. Outer diameter equal to 4.4 centimeters. I am taking inner radius smaller equal to half of the diameter 2 centimeters. Outer I am representing with capital R equal to 2.2, half of this one. Okay, so now height will be same. What is the height? Metallic pipe long is nothing but height. Height equal to 77 centimeters. Now first one, inner CSA 2 pi r h. So r smaller I am taking. So 2 into pi 22/7 into r equal to 2 into height h equal to 77. 7 into 1, 7 into 11. Next, if we simplify 2 into 2, 4 into 18, 4 into 22, 88. So 88 plus 88 into 11, 968 centimeters square. So this is inner curved surface area. Next, second, outer CSA equal to 2 pi r capital R H. 2 into 22 by 7 into capital R 2.2 into H equals 77. 7 into 1, 7 into 11. Now, so 11 into 22, 22 into 22 into 22. 22 into 22, 484 into 22 to 968, 968. So 8, 4, 16, 1. So 10,000, 640, 64.8. So 1064.8 centimeters square. So this is outer CSA. Now third one. So total surface area TSA. So what we are observing? So we are observing outer surface and inner surface, and upon the surface, that is the shape of ring, up one ring, down one ring. So total surface area equal to inner CSA plus outer CSA plus how many rings? 2 into ring area, 2 times of ring area. Inner surface area how much? 968 plus outer surface area 1064.8 plus 2 into ring area pi of capital R square minus small r square. This is the ring area formula. Now, so 968, if we add 0.8, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 plus 6, 7 plus 6, 13, 10 plus 10, 20. So plus 2 into 22 by 7 into capital R square, capital R 2.2, 4.84 minus small r square 4. So 2032.8 plus 44 by 7 into 0.84. 7 into 1, 7 into 12. So 44 into 12. 12 into 4, 48. 12 into 4, 48 plus 4, 50. 528. So 2032.8 plus 5.2. Now we add. So this will give 2038.08 centimeter square. So this is the required solution.